All right, guys, here's the quickest way to launch an outbound system today. So, our business is going to be Carbon Edge Parts, premium carbon fiber body upgrades for German and European performance cars. We sell things like bonnets, splitters, diffusers, side skirts, all of that cool stuff for cars. Completely made up business, of course, and here's everything that we're going to cover. So, we're going to have to cover our ICP, the emails we're going to be sending, making sure we're not landing in spam, working out the volume of how many emails per day we would like to be sending, and then, of course, automating all of this through systems at the end as well. So, starting with ICP, let's jump into the Outbound Guys community on School. And in the free tools section, we have the ICP builder right here. So, clicking into this, I'm going to go ahead and fill out all of this information, which will then give me an ICP or ideal client profile for us. So in a couple of minutes, I've just used Claude to fill out all of this information for us. So I've got premium carbon fiber body parts and aero kits for German and European performance cars, all of the stuff that we mentioned earlier, the OEM grade with guaranteed fitment. Who are your best clients? So we're going to say that two groups: car enthusiasts who own modified or performance spec European cars and they want their cars to look cool, hold up on track, and and on the road in general. And then also specialist performance body shops and independent mechanics with this amount of staff who do high-end builds. The problem that people have is that they typically find cheap carbon fiber imports from China that look good in photos but warp, bubble, and don't fit properly when they arrive, which means they get disappointed and money wasted. The result that they get after working with us is that the parts fit straight on the first time with no rework. What triggers them to look for a solution like ours is buying a new performance car. You want it to look cool. Might just say, yeah, want my car to look cool. That's it at the end of the day, right? Objections that are raised before buying: it might be more expensive than alternatives that they see online. What if it breaks? We'll go ahead and click build my ICP and see what happens. Cool. So it's just building the information for us based on what we've put in here. We'll see what it's out. Cool. So our ICP is specialist performance and modified car body shops, independent automotive mechanics. Company size looks correct. Car enthusiasts, track day motorsport preparation workshops. Pretty cool. Location can be basically anywhere, but it's obviously favored us because we've said that the business is in Europe. Decision makers and the seniority of them. Pain points that it covers for these people. All looks good. Yeah, 60k BM M4, Porsche 911. Cool. And the trigger events: workshop works on high value exterior builds. Common objections that we might face, and language that these people actually use. Can't be spending half a day on rework. I need it just to fit straight on, all of that. Here's what they don't want, and that's a one-line ICP summary for us, which is quite cool. So all of that's done in less than 5 minutes. So just like that, ICP is done. Let's go on to emails now. So jumping back into the Outbound Guys community here. And what we're going to do first is try to write our own email and see how we go using the spam checker. So I've just written this email really quick. It says, hello, I'm looking to see if you're interested in purchasing a carbon fiber body part for your car that is exclusively available today. This opportunity will expire in 24 hours. So I need to know if you're in or out. Can we hop on a call to discuss? Let me know ASAP. Let's see how this ranks up. Very bad deliverability score, 55 out of 100. We've got high risk words, caution words. All of this is not looking good. So instead of using this information and going and rewriting it all ourselves, let's just use the email generator that takes all of those 200 plus spam words that will land you in spam and will generate the email for us essentially. Beautiful. So in a couple of minutes, I've just popped in the information of what we sell, who our ideal customer is, the number one problem that we solve, the results that our clients or customers can get or will get. I'm going to say the goal of this email is to start a conversation I want to do, and I want to make it, let's go professional for this one and click generate emails. Cool. So that is taking all of the information we've popped in and has generated us 3 email variations. So we've got short and punchy up here. We've got problem led and we've got curiosity based. So short and punchy. Time fitment, 0 work. That's really good. Worth conversation. That's a pretty solid email. It's given us a subject line that harps on their pain as well, which is quite cool. Guaranteed first time fitment, 0 rework, no complaints. problem led. These are the whoops. I really like this one as well. You can put costing a workshop time. Labels a few cars that we can help with. Why German shops choose us. I would say I like the middle one the most, this one here. Cool, so I'm going to pick this one and go build follow-up sequence. This is going to go ahead and build us a 3-step sequence based on this copy here, which I really like. There we go. It's going to give us options to pick whichever subject line that we like. That's a follow-up there, which looks cool. Spoke to Workshop Manchester. Locality, quite cool. Cool, all of these look good. So I'm going to go ahead and copy them all, and we're going to upload them into the systems at the end. So that's copy done. If we jump back to this, emails are done. Now, spam, we kind of did that before as well. So we can tick that off. All of those emails that we've built in the generator are going to be spam free and have a high deliverability score to ensure we're landing in the inbox. Now we need to work out volume and how many emails we would like to send per day. So believe it or not, going to jump into the Outbound Guys community. We've got our free volume calculator sitting in here as well. So I'm going to click into this and we're going to work out how many emails per day we would like to be sending. I'm going to go, not that many. Let's just go with 200, nice and low. And a very conservative reply rate of 2%, I'm going to say. So that's already worked out the system that we need of how many domains and mailboxes and emails per day. The reason I'm blurring this is because it is an exclusive tool that's only available to Outbound Guys community members. So just jump in to grab it. It's completely free. So that's gone ahead and let us know how many emails per mailbox, how many mailboxes per domain, the total number of mailboxes needed, total domains needed, emails per week and emails per month, assuming a 22 working day month with 5 days in each week, of course, for the working week. How many expected replies we can expect as well. So per day, it's saying we can expect about 4 replies at this volume, per week 21, and per month 92, at a very conservative 2% reply rate with 200 emails per day. And it's also just reminded us not to get warm up, that the new mailboxes will need 2 to 4 weeks of warm up before hitting full send volume, and to ensure we set up our infrastructure early and let it warm before we need it. So there you go, volume's done. And now it's just a matter of systems, which we cover in more detail on what tools and tech and all of that fun stuff that you'll actually need. So if you'd like access to any of those tools that we've just covered, all completely free inside of the Outbound Guys community, as you can see on screen here. I'll pop the link down in the description. I hope you enjoyed. It's as easy as that. Thank you.